Yo, what's up guys? UV here. I'm coming at you guys with a texture pack spotlight. Let's get down here and let's get started. Alright. So I was browsing the internet and I found this texture pack. It turns your 2D Minecraft textures into 3D, and here they are. Here's the wood, the cobble, the gold, the iron, the coal, lapis, so on and so on. As you can see, they all have a depth, like the gold, as you can see right there. It's really cool. And the diamond, the emerald. The one that really impressed me is the jack-lantern. As you can see, the lantern has a depth and even has a torch inside it. And we have the trapdoor, has a depth. The light sensor has a depth. And the door, as you can see, has a handle. And the TNT has this little thing coming out from it. Here are the rails. You see they have a little depth coming out from them. And now look, now I'm going to change the texture pack to the default one. I'm going to show you guys the difference between these texture packs. Okay. Now as you can see, they all look the same. There's no depth to them. The TNT is not coming out anymore. The rails don't look the same, as you can see. And now I'm going to turn it back on. Okay. As you can see, it's 3D. It's really awesome. And the texture pack, with this texture pack, there's stuff like this laying on the ground. Yeah, just everywhere. Like rocks. You know. There's over 300 models. Of course, I'm not going to show you all 300 models. Here are the plants. You see they have the 3D texture. Even the tilted grass has a 3D texture. And yeah. And another one is, as you can see, the slime over here. You see that slime has a 3D texture? If you look really close, you can see it does, right? I'm not sure, but I'm gonna turn it off and see if I'm right. Yes, it does have a 3D texture. If you guys can see it, there's really no other way for me to show you, but you guys could check it out you guys could check it out yourself. I'm gonna put a link to the description, to the download of the texture pack down in the description. And also I'll be using this texture pack in my survival series. So yeah, I think I lost where I was, but that's okay. So let's check out some cool items in here. Oh look, I didn't see that. The pillar, the quartz pillar looks cool. Just look at that. And how about the pot? The pot. Oh man, if the potato looks different. Look at that. Look at the potato. The leaves look different. I don't know, can't really tell. Oh yeah, the saplings look different too. See? And slabs, all the slabs look different. And the broom stands, all the flowers too. Maybe a chest has a difference. Okay, those skins have a different, I'll take one. Yeah, it's really cool. Just browsing through. Okay, let's check these guys out. So the brewing stand, no, it doesn't have any 3D texture. The flower does, and this one does. Chest don't. Okay, that's good to know. Well, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching my first spotlight of a texture pack. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more. And that's pretty much it. EB Killer is out. I said I'm out.